Shemai guys, and welcome back to WWS. Video 3 of the series of static grass. 4mm static grass after this. Okay, here we go. 4mm static grass. Normally I will show you on a demo, or if I'm explaining how to do the layering system, is 2mm basin first, then 4mm, then 6mm, then 10mm. Yeah, and then we mix and match as we go along. But I want to show you how 4mm, 6mm, 2mm, 1mm, how they all apply singly on their own before we go into multi lengths. All right, so here we go. We're going to go into it now. Right. Okay. So applicator that we're going to use, is the Progress Micro. It's perfect. The grid is perfect for that. Okay. Right. And the base glue. And I'm going to do a smaller patch on this one. Right, this is quite warm in the studio today, and the glue might go straight off and you leave bold patches. Although we can cover them. Okay. So just straight over. Okay, so I need to pass this brush over here. Okay, get rid of it. Right, quickly. Okay, so we're going to use spring 4mm. There it is. Straight into the hopper. And as of every time I use an applicator, make sure the clip is underneath your hopper. Don't need to put it in the glue. As long as it's there, it'll do its job. Okay, there we go. Right, so I try and get Josh an angle now. I'm not going to show the 4mm height because, and I'll show you later on with that. But what I want to do is to show you how thin it is gone down, right? This is why we use the layering system. So the 2mm first, then the 4mm. Because the 2mm gives you your carpet, and that's why we got a bold colour. Your 4mm, then it goes on top and layering. So as normal now, I'm going to show you some other tones, and we're going to use a different glue, which is our layering spray. Okay, so I'm going to bring in a autumn colour. So there's an autumn colour. Okay, just having a shake of the head from Josh. He was a bit slow on that one. Layering spray. So there's 4mm autumn. There's a colour. Now we're going to start seeing that we're starting to bring in that deeper colour, and with 4mm, you're starting to get that grass look. So as usual, brown colours. So we go for extreme, which is Apache. There's Apache colour. Okay, so there's another tone. So you've got green and brown, and then the lighter green underneath. So we do another colour. There's a wild meadow. And then you can see now we go in from all your colours, from your dark, into your brown, into a lighter brown, back into your light colour underneath. And it's starting to look like, even that looks like grass. I know it's striped. So let's make it into looking like grass now underneath. And then just to highlight certain areas, just to make it look multicolour. So that's static grass, and you know now that's 4mm static grass. Layering up again, you can see that we've got a good height. If I pull that across there, right, you're going to see the height then I'm going to do. So I'm going to come back up, Josh, just to show him the height. You're going to give me the thumbs up and going up, 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 up. There. That gives you the height that you can do. Okay, so moving on. The next thing that you can do with 4mm static grass is bushes. Okay, so I just got some rubberized horsehair for that, right? Okay, we're going to use the detailer applicator to apply the static grass, which I'll show you in a minute, right? But the first thing what we want to do, here's an old model that I got. Okay, so we're just going to put it down on there. So just tease a bit of the horsehair off. Okay, and then that now that's too scraggy, and obviously way out of scale. So all I do is just trim off randomly, pull away, because really all that is just the carrier. It's just the structure. And then what I do is I put it on the model straight away. Okay. So I'll just spray the area. Don't worry about if it goes around the area, right? Because we're going to be controlled with the detailer. So first of all, we're going to start off with some patchy. Okay, so there's a lump of patchy 4mm. Yeah, put it into the hopper. As usual, get the clip close to it and give it a shake on. Okay, so there it is. That's the first stitch done. So I'm going to come up now to the angle. Josh is going to have a look. Yeah, you can see that. Okay, so that's just the brown that's gone into it. I'm going to make it a little bit lighter now around it, or a bit darker actually. I think I'm going to use an autumn 4mm. Okay, so bear with me. And the beauty about the detailer is that it's only really doing that area that I wanted to do. Yeah, the other bits is gone. So again, coming up to the camera. Yeah, there's the bush. Simple as that. Okay, so that was 4mm static grass. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please like and share, and obviously subscribe to the channel. Thanks very much for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.